Good morning. My broadcast just failed, and I am trying to do it again using my cellular data versus Wi-Fi. Not sure what's going on with Wi-Fi. It shows full signal. But let me take a moment to tag everybody again. Good morning, Judy, again. I'm just gonna try to tag everybody again and see if this one works. Give me a moment. I will try to make it work. 1 second. I forget who I need to tag. Anyways, let's try again. So today we're starting the new category from the 16 Buddhist guidelines for skillful and happy life, the wisdom theme of how we relate to others. And we will begin our exploration looking at cultivating respect. Everybody wants and needs respect. It's a prerequisite for human beings to relate to each other in a positive and constructive way. Respect acknowledges that we have the same basic needs: physical, psychological, spiritual, and that other people's experience and wisdom can be very helpful to us. All around us, there are people we can respect and learn from if we have the necessary humility, and of course, if we choose to do so. Respect is something we have to give rather than to demand. So, how do we choose the people we respect? What effect will this have on our life? And how can respect contribute to a happy life? Let's explore this together. Take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle in, to acknowledge all your circumstances today, internal and external. With each cycle of breath, dissolving the boundary between the inner and the outer, reminding yourself of the interconnectedness of all things, of our oneness. Let your breath be soft and easy, comfortable and uncontrolled. See if you can simply observe your breath flowing through your body. Notice how you inhale how you exhale. Invite effortlessness into your body, heart, and mind. Scan your body from top to bottom, taking each exhale as an opportunity to soften a little bit, to lean into the support of the earth, to release tension that can be released right now. Now bring to mind one person who really inspires you. It may be somebody you know personally or a more distant role model. Consider which qualities of this person you would most like to develop within yourself. Are they qualities that you already possess and just want to improve on? Or is it something new for you? See if you can remember a time when, even on a smaller scale, you demonstrated some of these qualities in the way you thought, spoke, or behaved. What do you already have in common with this person who inspires you, with you, your role model? And now imagine this person whom you look up to as a baby and then as a small child. Reflect on how they had to learn to speak, walk, read, and write, just as you did. Reflect on the moments when they may have felt uncertain, afraid. What mistakes do you think they made? How did they cope with their mistakes? See if you can accept the humanity, the vulnerability of this person you respect, of your role model. They are a human being just like you. So spend some time focusing on the human vulnerability. Does it make any difference to the quality of your respect? Is there any reason that you cannot develop the same qualities that you admire in others? Can you transcend your own limitations, including your limited view of yourself? Allow yourself to think big for a few minutes, just as your role model may have done at some point. And now let's send the energy of loving kindness toward that person you respect, toward your role model. May he or she be filled with loving kindness. May they be well in body and mind. May they be happy, healthy, and free. May they find deep, natural peace. And now send loving kindness towards yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I be happy, healthy, and at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. As you go through your day today, I invite you to enact one of the qualities you admire in your role model, even if it's on a smaller scale, and see how it goes for you. Thank you so much for being here. I'm sorry about internet connection today. Have a beautiful day, and I'll see you tomorrow.